Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And guys, this body is a important design, and this is a wing nut design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Guys, today discuss here all 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a front view, and this is a top view, and this is a right view, and this body is looking perfect, okay. And this body is a wing nut design, and this is isometric view, and this body is a 2D drafting is also, and this is a top view and front view, and this right view, okay. This is a help of this body is designed easily and clearly, okay. And this body is looking perfect, and this body is very helpful, okay. This is a perfect and correct, okay. And this body is looking perfect, and so nice looking here. And this thread is also available here, and this thread is a M7 multiply 1, M7 size 7 millimeter, and this is a size M7, and pitch is 1 millimeter, and all is perfect and correct, okay. This body is designed, how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Guys, let's start here. This body is design, okay. And at first select a part, and some setting is a very important. Image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect, okay. And this plane is white, okay. All is perfect, and this 2D drafting is a okay. At first drawing this 24 millimeter, this circle is drawing here, and this circle is a 16 millimeter, and both side is a upward and downward. This is a 16 millimeter, and this back side is a 24 millimeter, and use this lofted boss and create this body, and this cutout is a 10 millimeter, and use a thread, okay. At first select a plane is top plane, and this is a plane is created here, okay. And this length is 16 millimeter, okay. This length is 16 millimeter, this is a 16 millimeter, okay. And at first select a top plane, sketch, drawing a big circle, and big circle is 24 millimeter, okay. This is a 24 millimeter is correct, okay. And this is a correct, and exit, and select this plane, sketch normal, and again select this circle is drawing a small, and this align a dimension, this diameter is a 16 millimeter is perfect, and exit. And both circle is drawing here, okay. And both circle is drawing here easily and clearly, and use a lofted boss. And at first circle is automatic, this profile is select here, and next circle is select this, okay. This is a perfect, and this is a correct, okay. And click, this is a okay. This is a perfect, okay. This body is drawing here, and click OK. And this plane is hide because this body is looking perfect, okay. This is a perfect, and this cutout is a 10 millimeter, and drawing a circle, and align this dimension, and this diameter is a 10 millimeter is cut out, and cutout is a through all, and extrude cut is apply here and use a through all. Okay, through all is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this body is looking perfect. And next is use a thread. Thread is very important, and use a thread, and thread is this, click this, okay, and apply this, and offset is 3 millimeter and direction is okay. This is a perfect. And guys, this is a very important point is discussed here, and this offset is 3 millimeter is direction is reverse direction, and this length is 20 millimeter, and metric type is very important, and size is M7 and pitch is 1. Okay, M7 multiply 1, size is M7 and pitch is 1 millimeter, and okay, all is this cut thread is okay, and this use a right-handed thread. Okay, all is perfect, and this thread is apply here, and this thread is activated this thread, and thread is very nice looking here, and material is apply here and use a chromium plate. Okay, and this body is looking also okay. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, next is okay, next is use here this is this wing is created here, and this length is 18 millimeter, and this distance is 20 millimeter, and this circle is drawing here, and this red diameter is 17 millimeter. Okay, at first select a right plane and sketch normal. Okay, and at first draw a center line and drawing a midpoint to this origin point, and click OK. And this is this select a line edge and use a convert entities. Okay, and at first drawing a circle is this circle is drawing here, and this align a dimension, and this dimension is 17 millimeter. Okay, okay, and this distance is this to this okay, and this distance is this to this is 18 millimeter, and this to this distance is 20 millimeter. Okay, this is perfect, and some line is created here, this to this. Okay, automatic select a tangent, and next is next line is click here, and this to this. Okay, and also use this to this is a tangent. Okay, and trim use this is a cutout. Okay, this wing is created here easily, and all dimension is perfect. Okay, and use a mirror, and mirror is this all is select here, and click this about this. Okay, and this wing is also created here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is better, and apply a extrude boss and select a mid plane, and this thickness is 5 millimeter, because this thickness is 5 millimeter is correct, and click OK. This wing is also perfect. and some is hole is this space is created here, and okay, and sketch and use a convert entities and extrude boss. Extrude boss is 1 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a fulfill, and also use this sketch and convert entities and use a extrude boss, and 1 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a, and some use this body is extra, but this body is cut out, and select this face sketch and use convert entities and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a, okay, this is a 5 millimeter, direction is downward, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and flip side to cut, click OK. Okay, not all is cut here. Okay, all is perfect. And next is use a, this is a very important point is discussed here. 1 millimeter and 1 millimeter, this is a correct, but this fillet is 1.2 millimeter and both side is correct fillet, and use a fillet is a 1.2 and select this first, second, and use this is a this to this and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and also this click okay, and this edge is select here, and okay, this is a perfect, and click OK, and click this to this, and 0.5 is better. Okay, 0.5 is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and next is this is a correct, and next is all is perfect, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a, and also fillet is used here, and this is a 2 millimeter and select this to, okay, 1, okay, 0.5, okay, and click a fillet. Fillet is a 0.2, click this to this, okay, and some important point is discussed here, and this fillet is used here, and this fillet is a, okay, and this is a 4 is better. Okay, some point is a, okay, this fillet is a both, okay, Okay, this is undo is back side, and also create this extrude boss and use a okay direction is downward and use a flip side to cut and this is a okay. And next is at first select a fillet is this is a 1 millimeter and select this, okay, and as this is a this to select this and this, and 2 millimeter is better, 2 millimeter is also 1.2 is 1.2 is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And next fillet is use here 1.2 is select this and this and this all 4 edges, select here and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and use again fillet, and fillet is 0.5 millimeter, and this is a select here this first and second and okay fourth, and this is use a fifth and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and all is perfect and correct. This is a better, and all is perfect and this is a correct. Okay, guys, all point is discussed here, guys. I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a very important this bodies design easily and clearly. And this product is a grease nipple 45-degree angle is inclined, and this is a inclined of 45-degree angle, and this project is a grease nipple design. And how to this bodies design easily and clearly, and all dimension is mentioned here clearly, you can see here on the screen, and this is a thread value is also available here. Okay, let's start here this bodies design easily and clearly. Okay, this is the final product is design here, and how to this bodies design easily and clearly, and all thread is mentioned here, and all is a perfect and correct, and this is a ball is also drawing here. Okay, and this body is a design here easily and clearly. Let's start here this body is design. Okay, at first some setting is very important, and setting is this is a plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and at first drawing this curve and this geometry, and this geometry is this is a perfect, and this curve, okay, this curve is 6, radius is 6 millimeter, and this curve is a 2.2 millimeter, this length is 5 millimeter, and this length is distance is a 5 millimeter, and this whole distance is okay. This is a perfect, and okay, this is a 8 millimeter, and this full length is 10 millimeter, and half is 5 millimeter is this. Okay, and this distance is a 6.5 millimeter. Okay. Okay, drawing some geometry and mention all dimension one by one. Okay, at first select a front plane. Line is drawing this to this, and drawing a curve is this, and again drawing a curve this, and select a straight line, and this is a line, and drawing a straight, and this is a perfect, and connect to this. Okay, and this center point, and press a control button, and this origin point is a coincident. Okay, and align all dimension. All dimension is a this is a 6 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 2.2 millimeter. Okay, and okay, and a relation is this is a tangent, and okay, and next is this length is a distance is 5 millimeter, and this distance to this distance is a 16 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a distance is 16 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is also 5 millimeter, and this distance is a this to this is 8 millimeter. Okay, and this center point to this distance is a 6.5 millimeter. 6.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all dimension is fully defined, and all dimension is correct, and all is fully defined, and click OK. And because this is a perfect, and this distance is a 16 millimeter, and this length is 5 millimeter is equal to this, and this distance is 5 millimeter, and full is 10 millimeter, and half is 5 millimeter, and this distance is 8 millimeter, and this is a distance is a 6.5 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and going to this revolve base, and going to this, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. And this is a fillet is used here, and 0.5 is a this to click OK. And use a chamfer is a 1 millimeter 45 degree angle, and this is a this, click OK. And next is a select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a circle is a 3 millimeter diameter, and 3 millimeter diameter, and this okay, this is a cutting here. This distance is a 3 millimeter diameter, and height is a 26.2 millimeter, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a 26 millimeter 26.2. Okay, and this is a okay, all is perfect. And this is a use again, select this face, sketch normal, and draw a hexagon. Hexagon is very important, and this is a use a vertical line. Okay, and again select a circle. A circle is a big circle. Okay, and this distance is a this is a distance is a 14.2 millimeter, and this is a circle is 20 millimeter. This circle is a 20 millimeter, and this distance is a 14.2 millimeter is perfect. And going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is a only 5 millimeter, so this is sufficient for this, and this is a perfect, and all is correct. And next is very important, and going to this 45-degree angle and drawing a this design, and this design is a 45-degree angle, and this is a perfect. And again select a front plane, sketch normal, or drawing a center line. Center line is a this to this, and this is a perfect, and dimension is a this to this is a 45-degree angle, and exit. And again select a top plane, and this is a plane, and select a this, and use a this is a top plane, and use a angle is 45-degree angle, and going to this project, and along sketch normal and flip offset, and this is a flip offset, this is a perfect and correct. And use this is a perfect, and use all is perfect and click OK. And next is again select this plane, and use this again select a plane, and this distance is a 3.6 millimeter, and this is a 3.6 millimeter is extrude cut. Again select a 3.6 millimeter and click OK, and this plane is hide. And select this sketch normal. This is a perfect, and select a normal. This is a perfect, and select a circle. Circle is this, and this circle is drawing a diameter is a 10. And this is a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a only direction is reverse, and click OK. This is a perfect, and this is a hide, and again select this is a hide. And again select a front plane, sketch normal. And right plane is better. Right plane sketch normal. And again select a center line. Center line is this to this. this is a perfect. And select this line to this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect line. Select this is use a 45-degree angle. Okay, again select this is a okay, and select a 45-degree angle. Okay, and this line is a this, and again select this. Okay, this is a perfect line. Okay, all is mentioned here. This select a line connect this to this line and draw this. Okay, and select this line. Okay, this is a perfect. Drag a circle is this to this. Okay, and this line to press a control button, and this line is a collinear. Okay, okay, and all dimension is mentioned here. Okay, and this dimension is a 11. Okay, and this dimension is a radius is 4. Okay, and this line and this line select a parallel. Okay, and again select a this is a okay, this is a 3, and select this line to this is a 4 millimeter. Okay, and again select this line is a 3 millimeter, and again select this line to this 3 millimeter. Okay, and this circle is a okay, and this circle is a radius is 2 millimeter. Okay, and this center point and this distance is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and next is this is a 5 millimeter. Again this length is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and all is a fully defined, and this is a perfect. All is fully defined and correct, and this is a this length is a okay, this is a 4 millimeter is distance, and this is a 5 millimeter is distance is this, and this is a distance is 11 millimeter, and this curve radius is 2 radius is 2 millimeter, and okay, all is perfect, and this distance is 5 millimeter. Okay, 5 millimeter, this is 11 millimeter, radius is 2 millimeter, and this 5 millimeter and 4 millimeter is perfect. All is correct. And again select a revolve base, select this face, sketch normal. Okay, and again select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is this to this, and again select a circle, and this is a vertical line, and again select a circle. Circle is a some big circle, and this is use a 9mm is perfect, and this use a 11mm is perfect. Okay, and 12mm is better. Okay, 11 is perfect. And use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is some use a this, and click OK. Okay, this is a better and perfect. And this face sketch normal, and select a circle. Circle is this, and this is a this hole is 3mm is dia, and use a cut is okay. This diameter is a 3mm, and extrude cut. Extrude cut is a up to surface. Okay, up to surface means this is a perfect. Okay, this is up to surface. Okay, this is up to surface. This is a perfect, and click OK. And some use a this is a cutout is, and use a this is a right plane, and okay, this is a cutout is nice looking here. And okay, and next is a use a this a ball is a okay, and use a right plane sketch normal, and some use a center line to this to this. Okay, a circle is a drawing here. This is a diameter is 3mm, and this distance is a 12mm. Okay, and this is a line is a this line is this, and some extra portion is cutted here. Okay, and guys, this is a very important. This is very important, and use a 3 cutout 3 dia, and this circle is a radius is 3mm, diameter is 3mm, radius is 1.5mm, and distance is a 12mm. And revolve boss base, use this, and click OK. Okay, and click OK. And this face sketch, and use a chromium, and click OK. And again select this brush, click OK. And this plane is hide. Okay, this is perfect. And okay, and fillet is a chamfer is apply here a point 2mm, and this to this chamfer, and click OK. This is a perfect. And next is use a thread, and all point is correct. All point is discuss here one by one. and thread is applied, length is 10 and pitch is 1, size is M7, and apply a thread. Thread is a select this, and offset is 2 mm and direction is reverse, and this distance is 10 mm, and metric die is perfect, and M size M7 and multiply pitch is 1, all is perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, all point is discussed here one by one, and all is a mention here is correct, and this is a use a 45 degree is angle, and this is a perfect body is drawing here. Okay, and all is perfect and correct. Guys, all point is discussed here one by one. Guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box, write a comment, and guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.